Hello everyone. If you are preparing for the RRB NTPC 2024 exam, you definitely don't want to miss this video. You can download the PDF in the description. First question: what is the Newton's first law of motion also called as a? Newton's first law of motion is also called as a law of inertia. It is very important question. Newton's first law is also called as a law of inertia. Next question: according to Newton's first law, what happens to an object in uniform motion if no external force acts on it? It will continue moving in a straight line at a constant speed. It is also a very important question. Newton's first law. What happens to an object if in uniform motion, if no external force acts on it? It will be continue moving in a straight line at a constant speed. Next question. Which property of an object resists a change in its state of motion? Inertia is a property of an object resists changes in its state of motion. Next question. In Newton's first law, what does inertia depends on? Inertia depends on the mass of an object. In exam they ask in Newton's first law, what does inertia depend on? You have to answer mass of the object. Next question. What kind of force if we need is to overcome the inertia of an object at rest? The answer for this question is an unbalanced external force is needed to the overcome the inertia of an object at rest. Next question. Why do passengers in a moving bus fall forward when the bus suddenly stops? Due to inertia. It is very important question. In exam they may ask, why do passengers in a moving bus fall forward when the bus suddenly stops? Due to inertia, their bodies tend to keep moving in the direction of motion. Next question. When did the RTI Act come into the effect? The answer for this question is October 2005. It is very important question. RTI Act come into the effect. The answer is October 2005. Next question. Which section of the RTI Act defines the term information? The answer for this question is Section 2F of the RTI Act defines the term information. Next question. What is the maximum penalty for a PIO for not providing information under the RTI Act? It is very important question. Rupees 25,000. The maximum penalty is rupees 25,000 for a PIO for not providing information under the RTI Act. When was the NSAT 1B commissioned? In 1983, NSAT 1B commissioned. NSAT full form Indian National Satellite. Next question. What was the main purpose of the INSAT 1B? It is to provide telecommunications, broadcasting, meteorology, and search and rescue operation. This is the main purpose of the INSAT 1B. Next question. INSAT 1B was a part of which satellite series? The answer for this question is Indian National Satellite System series. Next question. Which launch vehicle was used to launch INSAT 1B? The answer for this question is Space Shuttle STS-8. The Space Shuttle ST-8 vehicle is used for the launch of the INSAT 1B. Next question. When did the Simon Commission arrive in India? In 1928, Simon Commission arrived in India. Next question. Why was the Simon Commission boycotted by Indians? Because it did not include any Indian member. That's why Simon Commission boycotted by Indians. Next question. What was the main purpose of the Simon Commission? To review the functioning of the constitutional system in India and suggest reforms is the main purpose of the Simon Commission. Next question. Who led the Simon Commission? Sir John Simon led the Simon Commission. Next question. What was the famous slogan raised during the protest against the Simon Commission? The answer for this question is Simon Go Back is a famous slogan raised during the protest against the Simon Commission. Next question. Which act was result of the Simon Commission's report? It is very important question. Government of India Act 1935 is a act was a result of the Simon Commission report. Next question. In which city did Simon Commission face strong opposition and protests led by the Lala Lajpat Rai? In Lahore city, Simon Commission faced strong opposition and protests led by Lala Lajpat Rai. Thank you for watching. These are the very important question and answer for RRB NTPC 2024 examination. You can download the PDF in the description.